Hi everyone, welcome back to another short Windows tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a restore point. To create a restore point, click on Start and type here create restore point. Click on it and here you will see local disk C, it's turned off. So all you have to do is just click configure and then turn on system protection. From here you can increase the percentage of your maximum usage. Click apply, click OK. Then just simply click on create restore point and I will write down test restore and click create. So after creating this restore point, if you face any issues with your Windows systems, you can simply restore to this restore point which we have just created. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.